Have you ever slept for a full 8 hours, yet still wake up tired? You're not alone. As we age, our sleep changes, and not always for the better. But the good news is, there are clear reasons why this happens, and simple ways to fix it. Here are 7 common causes of tiredness after 60, and how you can wake up feeling truly refreshed. As we grow older, the amount of deep sleep, the stage where the body truly repairs itself, begins to decline. Instead, we spend more time in lighter sleep stages, which are easier to wake from and less restorative. So even if you're asleep for hours, your body isn't fully recovering. Many older adults wake up several times during the night without even realizing it. These micro-awakenings break the natural rhythm of sleep. They can be caused by needing to use the bathroom, discomfort, or even subtle health issues like sleep apnea. The result? You feel like you haven't slept at all. Melatonin is a hormone that signals your body it's time to sleep. Unfortunately, melatonin levels drop as we age, making it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. Less melatonin means lighter, less refreshing sleep, even if you're in bed for hours. Our internal body clock, or circadian rhythm, depends on daylight and physical activity. If you spend most of your day indoors or sitting still, your sleep-wake cycle can get confused. This can lead to poor quality sleep, waking up too early, or feeling groggy during the day. Worries don't retire when we do. Financial concerns, health anxieties, or loneliness can keep the mind active at night. Even if you fall asleep, stress can prevent you from reaching deep, healing rest. Many medications prescribed after 60, for blood pressure, pain, or mood, can interfere with sleep. Some may make you drowsy during the day and restless at night. Always check with your doctor if your meds could be affecting your sleep cycle. Conditions like sleep apnea, restless leg syndrome, or insomnia become more common with age. These aren't just nuisances, they rob you of the energy you need to enjoy life. If you snore heavily or feel constantly exhausted, it might be time for a sleep study. So what can you do? Here are some simple but powerful changes. Get 20 to 30 minutes of sunlight every morning. Avoid caffeine after 2 p.m. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Walk or stretch daily, even 15 minutes helps. Talk to your doctor about magnesium or melatonin. These small steps can help retrain your sleep cycle and restore your energy. Good sleep isn't just a luxury, it's essential for healing, clarity, and happiness. After 60, you deserve rest that truly restores you. With the right habits, you can wake up feeling alive, alert, and ready to enjoy every day. Tonight could be the turning point.